Every year, people leave their countries to study abroad. They enter new classrooms, new system, new lives. But the truth is, many others are still trying to figure out how it works. Not because the opportunity isn't there, but because they never see it. And right now, Brazil is opening one. Up to 1,400 international students will be selected. If you really understand what that means, you won't watch this video casually. So last year, I spoke about this opportunity and not many people paid attention, but now things have changed. More people are beginning to understand what this program really offers. And the system is now more structured than before. For 2027, Brazil is selecting 1,400 international students. As you can see on my screen, this is no longer something to ignore. This is something to prepare for. Kudos to Brazil for all this wonderful international mobility and exchange program they are giving to other countries to enjoy. So like I said, this year opportunity, they are looking for 1,400 students that are going to be applied, and these students are going to be coming from different countries. I want you to click the link of this website in the description box below and read all the information pertaining to this opportunity. I would like you to know that applying for PEC-PG is in two phases. You have to start from the embassy. There is a part you need to do at the embassy of your country, and there is a part that you need to do online. You need to submit an application online, and you also need to fulfill some requirements with the embassy, because if you do one and you ignore the other, it's going to affect your chances. So guys, like I said, read the instruction, read the I want you to get more information from this website. The description is in the box below, and there's a part you are going to fill. This is the form you are going to fill, and this form, you can see PEC-G and PEC-PLE 2027 pre-registration form. Now I would like you to know that PEC-PG is an opportunity that Brazil has created for people that want to do their undergraduate in Brazil, and it is divided into two forms, or is in two ways, because some people are going to be coming from countries that are not speaking Portuguese. That is, if your country is not a Portuguese speaking country, once you get to Brazil, you will be starting with what we know as PEC-PLE. Okay, so PEC-PLE is like a foundation course for PEC-PG, where you are going to learn Portuguese. After you've learned Portuguese, let's say for 10 months, you will write the proficiency exam, which is Step-by-ste, and after you've passed, then you can now proceed to PEC-PG. That is, you are proceeding to the program itself. Now, I've made a video about this. It is you can see it on this channel as well. The information from that video is still, some of them are still very, very cogent, vital, that I may not be able even to talk about in this video. So after, I would like you to have a robust information. When you are done watching this video, click that one as well, take some information from there, combine it together and push for this current one. So PEC-G and PEC-PLE 2027 pre-registration form. So you can see it's already, you can't even change this part, and this date is very, very important. It's going to be on the 5th of May, which is next month. So you're going to enter your name, your country, and select the country where you register for PEC 2027. Then select the embassy. Once you pick the country, then you'll be able to select the embassy. For example, if you pick Ghana, you are going to be able to select the embassy at Ghana. So enter your date of birth, enter your gender, enter your email, on and on. Then enter your full address, your mother's name, etc. So family members and guidance, that will be need for you to provide a guardian or a family or your parents information as well. Who are you going to be using as do any of your family members or friends live in Brazil? If yes, say yes here. If no, say will any member of your family also apply for PEC this year? Answer. Who will send the resources for you to stay in Brazil? You're going to select that one as well. Is it a relative? Is it government? Is it an organization? Or is it your parents? Or is it your siblings? So all the information you are going to supply them. Additional information: what was the area of expertise of your high school? Is it commercial, science, or art? So have you already finished an undergraduate course? You are going to say, do you have Step-by-ste already? If you have Step-by-ste already, it is even going to be easier because you won't have to start. So if you say yes, that means If you say yes, that means your admission is going to be moved to PEC-G. But if you say no, it's going to be PEC-PLE. And PEC-PLE is something that is suitable for people coming from English-speaking country that doesn't understand Portuguese here. Have you already been selected in previous PEC-G selection? If yes, you're going to do that. Then there's going to be need for you to upload the record of your school, the school you've attended before. So documentation, school record, all of that, you're going to do that here. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. Now, there are some people that I guided last year, and to God be all the glory, they were all selected. 4 of them actually, they were all selected. And if you're also going to be in need of a proper guidance, look, like I said, the decision for you to be selected is not dependent on this form, neither is it dependent on what you submit at the embassy. But there's some gray area that if you do them very well, your chances is going to be increased, and that is where I come in. If you would like to talk to me, just hit me up via the email, and I will be swift to assist you with this. Like I said, the assistance I'm granting is to just use experience of what I've done that has worked, and to just apply it for you as well. There is no sending of anything. It is something you can actually do yourself, and you can also get it right. So let's make that clear. I'm wishing everyone that is going to be applying for this opportunity, I'm wishing you best of luck in your application. And if you are also looking for opportunity to do your masters in Brazil, more opportunities are coming, and I'm going to be sharing them on this channel. This is your #1 plug when it comes to traveling to countries like Brazil or some other countries. So I give you updated, verifiable information that if you make a good use of them, you will definitely achieve your dream. Again, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, I want you to hit the subscription button. I want you to like this video. A lot of our brothers, a lot of our sisters, they actually want to do some courses, but eventually they ended up doing something else, because or some of them are still even looking for admission. So this is the right time for you to share this information. When I was very young, I've always wanted to do medicine and surgery, but due to situations back in my country, I ended up doing biology. We have people with similar stories like that. But PEC-PG is one of the opportunities that can give. For example, if you want to do medicine, highest, if you are not getting medicine, the worst that can happen is if they could give you maybe nothing, they could give you something within. No, but it's not that they are taking you from medicine and giving you biology, or you want to do law and they are giving you history, or you want to do education and they are giving you something that is commerce. So guys, I'm wishing you best of luck. I'm just saying this for you to know that it's a great opportunity. And don't forget that this 1,400 is not quota dependent. That is, we are going to give 20 or 50 to Nigeria, we're going to give 30 to. No, it is dependent on how many applications that people submit from different countries. Okay, so and it is possible that the total 1,400 will not be filled. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. It's a golden opportunity. Share with someone. If you're already in Brazil, or it is not something that you can do anymore, share it with someone that may want to partake in it. I'm wishing you best of luck in your application, and I will see you in the next video. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.